where the flowers bloom and the sunshine glows. There's normal gardens where the beauty grows. Every leaf tells a story, every seed takes flight. In the garden's heart, everything feels right. Es mamo, sing it to the sky. Whisper to the petals as the clouds drift by. Es mamo, let the green roots run, dancing with the daisies in the morning sun.
Hello everyone, welcome to Esmamo Gardens. So initially I had this beautiful Flaming Katy here on top. It's growing leggy and thin, the stems are thin, so I was staking it and I broke it. So it has been broken for a couple of days. I just left it to dry out so that I can propagate it. So I'm thinking cut it all the way down, remove these two leggy stems and just propagate it. I think that will be the safest option that I have for now, because this was also cutting. It was propagated 2 years ago from the mother plant which died, and this was the first year of bloom. So I have two minds to keep this other one and just stake it up or cut it. So I think I will go with cutting it. Let's take our cuttings and go outside and propagate it. All these Flaming Katies are from cuttings I took from the mother plant, which was not doing well, and made all these plants. So this was from one plant and made several plants with it. Kalanchoe, blossfeldiana, or also known as Flaming Katy, is a succulent. It's known for its thick fleshy leaves and cluster of small vibrant flowers. The plant is native to Madagascar and is a popular choice for both indoors and outdoor cultivation due to its drought tolerant and ease of care. They typically bloom in late autumn or early winter, but can also flower at any times of the year. When grown indoors, the flower come in variety of colors, including red, orange, yellow, pink, and white. You can propagate Flaming Katy in water. It is generally not recommended for long-term growth due to the risk of root rot. The plant is a succulent and it prefers dry condition, making it more suitable for soil-based propagation and cultivation. However, if you choose to propagate in water, ensure proper oxygenation and timely transplanting it to soil, which we're going to be doing very soon. This plant is clearly stretching itself for light. So Flaming Katies may need support or staking, especially if they have tall or heavy blooms or if they are leaning due to weak stems. Flaming Katy prefer bright indirect light, but I have one indirect light and is doing well, the color have changed to purple. So you can have it in bright direct light. The color will change. Disinfecting our pruners. So we'll cut it right there, and this plant will become bushier over time. We're gonna make sure we cut below the node. That's where the roots will form. The plant looks better already. The weight is lifted off its shoulder, so it will do much better. These blooms are more light blush, and the top was more bright pink. Use a well-draining potting mix. Flaming Katy is a succulent, so allow the soil to dry out between waterings. Water thoroughly when the top inch or two of soil feels dry, ensuring excess water drains away. Don't let the plant sit in standing water, as this can also cause root rot. Reduce watering in winter, allowing the soil to dry out more completely to prevent root rot. Our cuttings do need to callus before planting. Allowing the cut end to dry and form a callus. It's a protective layer of hardened tissue. It's crucial for preventing rot and promoting successful root development. All these leaves will need to be removed. The stem is a bit long. I think we can take out more cuttings from it. Let's cut below the node, and not forgetting which side is the bottom. Removing leaves from plant cutting helps prevent excessive water loss through transpiration, which is crucial for the cutting's survival before it develops roots to draw in water. By reducing the leaf surface area, you decrease the amount of water lost through the leaves, increasing the chance of successful rooting. By reducing the leaf area, you also encourage the plant to focus its energy on developing roots rather than maintaining a large amount of foliage. It is rather sad to see all these leaves go, but it has to be done. Let's not waste anything. This will also be propagated. I have left our cuttings to dry for a day, so they have dried beautifully. I will use rooting hormone to help roots development. This is a 6 centimeter pot. We'll use well draining potting mix. You can put a few cuttings in a small pot. Succulents thrive when slightly root bound. Once they develop roots, I will separate them into the individual pots. What I'll do first is moisten the soil so that when I put my cuttings, it won't remove the rooting hormone. We must ensure that the pot has adequate drainage to prevent water from sitting around and causing them to rot. Dip the base of the cutting into the rooting hormone, ensuring it covers the node and the cut end. Tap off any excess and plant your cutting in your moist soil. And sometimes roots do develop from these other nodes. Let's plant it, you never know. Chopsticks can become useful garden tools. Now we can fill it up with soil. This topsoil will help hold the moisture for longer. Maintain a warm environment. Create a humid environment to prevent the cutting from drying out before roots develop. Place the cutting in a location that receives indirect sunlight. Water the cutting lightly using a spray bottle or water only if the soil is dry. Once new leaves emerge, it indicates that roots have developed. Please comment below and share your propagation success.
Dancing with the daisies in the morning sun.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, comment, and I'll see you soon.